Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create QR code for PDF file. So if you are looking for some website or some mobile application to send your PDF file through a QR code, you are at the right place, right? So there you could have seen there is so many apps which provide this service, but if you don't have any app, that's fine. You can just do it by using Google Chrome browser, right? So here I am, and you can just go to this website which is called MeQR, and here you have to just upload a PDF. So whatever PDF you have here, so just tap on it, upload PDF file, and it will take you to the file section here, and you have to put a PDF file, and then you have to enter your QR name here. If you want, you can do it. By the way, it's completely optional. So I'll just click on customize and create a QR code. So it just take a few seconds to create it, so you have to wait here. So guys, here you can see that our QR code has been made, and here you can just scan from here too. And here, if you want to download and share it to anybody, you can just click on download this QR code, and you can just share this QR code, right? So this is it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.